Gandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. How persistent are you in your prayers? How persistent are you whenever you are asking the Lord for something? How persistent are you even when there seems to be no answer? You know, when I had a 30-day long retreat back in 2020, we were taught about doing the prayer periods and always begin by asking and begging the Lord for a specific grace. Yes, begging. Be it grace of openness, healing, love, understanding, forgiveness, tears, etc. You have to pray, beg, and ask that something from the Lord. There was even a joke when I was still a seminarian. Our formator said that we must always discern whether we really have a vocation to the priesthood. And if along the way you discovered that you don't have a vocation to the priesthood, and yet you really want it, pero si Lord na yung nagsasabi ng hindi, don't lose hope. Beg the Lord for the gift of vocation. Malay nyo, ibigay at maawa ang Diyos. In short, kung tingin nyo ay wala kayong bokasyon, magmakaawa kayo sa Diyos, baka sakaling ibigay. Dear brothers and sisters, the woman in our gospel today is just very short of literally begging Jesus for healing for her daughter. At sa kanyang pagmamakaawa, medyo masakit pa nga yung sagot ni Jesus. Sabi niya, unahin muna yung mga bata. Di naman yata tama na itapon at unahing pakainin ang mga aso. Grabe po, no? Kung tayo kaya yon at napahiya tayo, baka hindi na natin ituloy yung panghingi ng tulong dahil sa pride natin. Ikaw ba naman ihalin tulad sa aso? But we know that it didn't stop the woman from begging the Lord. Kaya ang sabi niya, Lord, even the dogs naman eat the children's scraps. Kahit ang aso kumakain ng tira-tira, nakakakain din naman. Basta ang mahalaga, nakakain, di baling tira-tira. Basta ang mahalaga, mapagaling niyo po yung aking anak. See the faith of the woman. Sobrang nakakahanga. And you see, dear brothers and sisters, sometimes persistence is what we just need. Madalas kasi, sa unang try pa lang, sumusuko na tayo. Madalas kasi, pag hindi tayo napagbigyan agad ng Diyos sa mga hinihiling natin, nagtatampo tayo agad. Kapag hindi nasunod ang gusto natin, pakiramdam na agad natin, aping-api tayo. Dear friends, persistence in our spiritual life is very important too, as it was shown to us by the Greek Syrophoenician woman in the Gospel. After all, pag nangulit naman tayo sa Diyos, at kung para naman sa ating ikabubuti, I don't think matitiis tayo ng Diyos. And so never be ashamed of begging the Lord. Amen.